Mafube is a mine outside Middleburg, and Mafube resettled the community into villages. The first round of resettlement was 45 households that was resettled from where the mine is now to a village called Sikhululiwe and Hlalamnandi, which is about 35 km outside Mafube.
Igama lami ngi-Friday Nofanisile Masangu, ngihlala khona la eSikhululiwe, ngimqali webhizinisi Nofanisile Beats, ngithengisa amabhengele, amatayi nomkhala wekhanda.
Sanibonani, igama lami ngithembekile, ngihlala eHlalamnandi, ngiqale ibhizinisi ngoJune 2024.
I'm Hlalamnandi. I'm the project manager at Avo Vision, responsible for most consumer finance education programs, as well as a few of the enterprise development programs at Avo Vision. I'm also responsible for trainee management and also do the trainer programs, and I write some of the materials for Avo Vision as well. Mafube basically want to have a livelihood restoration program for the specific villages. And that's how the idea of entrepreneurship program came about, so that people could learn to become financially independent.
My name is Matsidiso Utsapi. Name of my business is Sabasa Services and Supply. It offers different services. It offers general and industrial cleaning, gardening and landscaping, transportation, internet cafe. A program Avo ingisize ekuthenini. Number one, I was not aware that you can start a business without a capital. Avo, that's the first thing I introduced it. Then noguthi implement kanjani business plans, everything lezes funeka business in avocado ingisize ngalo.
The main challenge when we first started the program was participants wanted a stipend. And they didn't realize that a stipend would only last for 12 months. But the program that we're offering is called Give Yourself a Job. That means this will be skills that they could take beyond the 12 months. And that was the first hurdle that we had to overcome, to convince people that a stipend is not forever. A stipend would not mean sustainability or self-sustainability when it comes to their finances. Whereas what the program offers is a life skill that will take them beyond the race at the line.
Igama lami ngithembekile Mathibela, ngihlala eHlalamnandi. Igama lebhizinisi lami i-Be Kind Kitchen. Iqale ngoJune 2024. Siyabheka, sishisa nenyama. Sibhekela wonke ama-event, kanti futhi sikhetharela wonke ama-event amancane ma, ngoba asinawo izinto ezinkulu for ukwenza ama-event amakhulu.
At the moment, 14 of the beneficiaries have established businesses, and they are now earning an income, and they're providing jobs for other people as well.
Ku-Be Kind Kitchen ngisebenzisana noPosha. uPosha undodakazi yami. Naye ngomunye nje ungigqugquzela kakhulu, namanje ngize ngiphumele position ungigqugquzele kakhulu. So kakhulu nje, especially nambama, ngoba abantu bashayisa kuba busy kakhulu. So uPosha nguye ukwazi ukujama lapha ku-price stand, ashisa inyama, kube mina ngikwazi ukuthi ngiphakele ama-plate nginikele abantu ukudla.
Yeah, so business kama wamichampi because we turned business. Since dala bela shares kumanga business, and so one born and I'm trying to up with a position like I'm so happy. Yeah, I want to say because lately we have been funda when I'm happy because I'm born with a business together. So then again that is in at try is what we know putting into something with business because we say that I must be tired and I put to something.
So I think that is one of the greatest impacts, that it is not only a program where these 14 beneficiaries are earning an income for themselves, but they're also creating jobs for other people.